Hi everyone. So in this lesson I want to teach you how to create a unique Google Analytics code and how to implement it inside your website. So let's start. Go to google.com and type Google Analytics. Click the first link. Go to sign in, Google Analytics. In this page, you have to fill out the details about your website. So let's start. Let's say your website name is Sports75. So in my new account name, just type Sports75. Website name, again. In this field, you have to fill out your own domain. So let's do it. Industry category. And click Get Tracking ID. Great. So this is your Google Analytics unique code, and this number right here, this is your own account number. This is the most important thing about the Google Analytics code. Now you need to implement the Google Analytics code in your website in order to track and get details for every single user that gets into your website. So if you're not familiar with code and you're using WordPress, I would really recommend using this plugin, Google Analytics by Yoast. All you have to do is download this plugin, take this account number right here and put it in the plugin. And the plugin will actually implement the Google Analytics code in every page of your website automatically. If you're not using WordPress as a CMS, you need to implement the entire Google Analytics code in your website. So how do you do it? You should find out where is the header of the CMS that you're using. For example, if you're using Joomla, Google header in Joomla, and you'll probably get an explanation how to implement things inside the header of your website. So usually it looks like this. This is a standard structure of the HTML. This is the opening head tag, and this is the closing head tag. Between them, you probably have a few things. What you need to do is take the Google Analytics code, copy, and put it right here, right before the closing head tag. Now, after you do it and save it, I would really recommend to clear your cache by doing this. More tools, clear browsing data, and clear the cache images and files. After you do this, I want you to check if the Google Analytics code is really implemented in your website. So how do you do it? Let's say this is a page on your website. I want you to press the right click, view page source, and search exactly for this. So now I found the closing head tag, and right above it you should see the script of your Google Analytics. If it's there, it means you implemented Google Analytics correctly. Now all you have to do is wait 24 to 48 hours until you start seeing Google Analytics tracking the users on your website. So if you go to Google Analytics after 48 hours, this is exactly what you should see. And that's it, you're in Google Analytics. So do it, create a new account on Google Analytics, implement it in your website, and move on to the next lecture.